So we're heading to the park. Now you're like, yo, cowboy, what's next? OG, what's next?
Let's move, let's push, Cali is active.
Gotta love yourself, baby.
Let's push, Cali is active.
So now you're feeling a little bit stronger. You're hanging on to a bar for a little while. You're even starting to reverse your grips and maybe doing a couple scapular pull-ups. These are the exercises that you need to be doing prior to trying a pull-up. We're going to start with some Russian pulls right here. This is an isometric hold. You don't have to worry about doing these, but you can do these. You also don't have to hold your feet straight, your legs straight. You can also do it like this. It's not about how many you can do. It's about the quality. Specifically about the quality. This is the second exercise right here. It has nothing to do with pushing or pulling, but the position of a hollow back is very important, especially when it comes to pull-ups, because it very closely mimics the position that you are supposed to have your body in when you're doing a pull-up. So what's a hollow back? Right here. Front pelvic tilt again. Front pelvic tilt. You're tightening everything up. Hands right here, and you just hold it. I don't care if you can only hold it for 3 seconds, 5 seconds. If you can hold it for 10, great. If you can hold it for 15, excellent. If you can hold it for more, then do a couple sets of these. This is the position that you should be in when you're doing pull-ups. Now the third and fourth exercise is something that there's a little bit of a misunderstanding or maybe debate about. I think they coexist. They can't live without each other. And the third one happens to be negative pull-ups, and the fourth is assisted banded pull-ups. And I'm going to show you why. Now let's start with the third. Told you that the third were negatives. I spoke about these in the first video, where you jump up and without having to pull yourself up just a little bit to get up there, and then slowly bring yourself down, using the same fundamentals and principles that we were using in the Russian pull-up. What? Which is pronated grip for strength, okay? And bringing those elbows in close to the body, not out here, okay? This is where injuries happen. Out here, chicken winging. All right, so we jump up, look at the elbows. Now remember our second exercise, hollow body, and then slowly come down. Take a rest. We'll do one more just to make sure. Here, pronated grip, okay? Don't forget, elbows close to the body. Hollow body, and down. You can do your negative slower depending on your strength, or if you're just getting started and you come down quicker, it doesn't matter. Quality over quantity. So here we are. We have reached our final exercise. Obviously, the fourth exercise, assisted banded pull-ups. Why do I give these to you last? Because this allows you to put together every other exercise that I just gave you. The Russian pull-ups, do not forget, pronated grip. Also working on your forearm strength. Pronated grip, front pelvic tilt to make sure that your body is not flexing one way or the other, okay? And most importantly, pulling in, having those elbows close to the body, okay? That's a foundation for pull-up. Okay, from there I sent you to the hollow backs. Why did I send you to the hollow back? Because that is a position that resembles at least 90 to 95% of what your body should be doing while doing a pull-up. That's very important. A lot of times you see people kicking up and lifting their knees and doing all kinds of wild stuff, trying to get up there. When in reality, that should be a stiff body like a hollow back. Thirdly, I sent you to where? To the pull up negatives. Why? Because again, if you're pronating that grip, okay, on your way down, you're not only strengthening your forearms, but again, not just your back and everything, but you're growing stronger. And this right here allows you to put it all together. So there's not much to explain when I'm telling you to do a pull up. I got nothing much to explain because you've just gone through the process of building a foundation before doing a pull up. Now, if you grab this band and you pronate your grip, and then you do hollow body, and the last thing that I told you that it's not really a secret, but most people do not talk about it, is to keep your eyes on your target, and the magic happens. Elbows close, and do not, I repeat, do not be holding your breath. Breathe, baby. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way down. Welcome to the Self Love Club. Love yourself.
Let's move, let's push, Cali is active.
Gotta love yourself, baby.